What's going on? My name is Zay, and here's another 2-Minute Tuesday. A 2-Minute Tuesday is where I give you tips and tricks to take to your own, you know what I'm saying? And this 2-Minute Tuesday, I'm going to give you my settings for my FX3. Here we go. To set up your FX3, here's your menu system. It may look complicated, but it's very simple. You have your frame rate, your shutter speed, what you're shooting in. The way I set mine up is I have M1, M2, and M3. In M1, I have my 23 frames per second, or M2, I have 60 frames. M3, I have 120. The way you set this up is you just set it up your settings here in this page, and then you go here, go to shoot mode, and you go to camera set memory, and you set it to 3. This allows you to quickly change between each setting while you're on the go. It's very useful. It's very so you don't have to fumble with your settings while you're shooting. If you know you want to shoot slow-mo, you got 60 and you got 120 as an option. If you need to shoot regularly like 23 frames, then you got that ready to go. Here are my quick menu settings, like LUT, a zebra level. I might change these up a little bit, but to get this set up, this is what you do. Go to add item, and then we'll just put format here. And add it. My page is full, so I had to add it to another page, but this is how you get these quick menu settings set up. And then this is how I have my display LUT on my camera, which is very useful. You go here and then go to import, and now you can see what LUTs you need. The mode I shoot in is Sony AI mode. And what this allows you is to shoot in the base ISOs for 12,800 and also 800 ISO. You switch between those two. The reason I shoot in these two modes, or these two ISOs, is one, it's less noise for the camera. So if I shot in a regular flexible ISO, my noise level would be triggered as soon as I leave 800. So I try to shoot everything at 800, but if I need to push it to 12,000, I put my ND filter on there, because usually 12,000 is too much. So I put my ND filter on there and go like that. And now for my photo settings, because yes, you can take photos with this camera. Shoot all my photos in raw, uncompressed, and I do JPEG and switch from HEIF mode too. Now you got these settings, you can take these on the go. Good luck, and thank you for watching.